Hello model railroad fans. Going to be two parts to this video. First I'm going to show you the progress on the layout, and then after that I'm going to run my box cars around the layout. So I built this highway overpass, and it's too narrow. So getting two trucks on there is not going to look right. So I've got another one ordered, so I'm going to put the next one right next to it. And my road is a little too wide there, but that's the width of the re-railer, so we'll just go with it. I haven't done much over here. I got to put a pond lake thing under there. I did get the plywood covered up with plaster cloth, so you don't see that plywood there anymore, and I'm just going to keep my fingers crossed that nothing goes wrong underneath. I have this black felt stuff. It's pretty thick. I'm going to use for roads. I ran out of it, so I couldn't do my road back in there, and so I'm using white computer paper where I'm starting to lay out ideas on how I want the roads to look. That's not final, because I want to have one that goes behind there, behind the mountain, and have a parking lot over there. And so we'll see how that looks. Yeah, so I've got this all plastered. I bought some of those super trees. I'll show you some purchases here in a minute, but let me just walk around here. Again, I haven't started my brick walls on here yet. I had a bunch of leftover foam, so I made these little hills. If you can see that, I incorporated that in there, and then I've got some loose ones I can put in. Put some bushes around them, ballast will cover them up. So yeah, that's what I've been doing on the layout itself. Now let me talk about some stuff I bought. Okay, here's some stuff I bought to do the scenery. I got a Static King Woodland Scenics dispenser. Got some static tack. I watched some videos on how to use the Static King, and it recommended the static tack, so I'll start with that. I got 3 bags of different size grass. I'm waiting on my powered electrical connector for this. They were out of stock a lot of places. Here's some super trees. I don't have too many leaves yet. Looks like there might be a few in there, but I'll have to get some leaves. And then I got a grain bin for the other side, because my I want them not too big. This is a 33 foot and I have a 40 foot Orna order. So yeah, that's kind of what's going on with the layout. Now I'm going to run some trains for you. Thanks for watching.